Hello friends, how are all of you? So welcome back to English Literature Summaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a topic called Postcolonial Literature. Today I will talk about what is postcolonial literature, its origin, major themes, and popular examples of postcolonial literature. Postcolonial literature includes literature from those countries which were once part of European colonial rule. It also includes works that highlight postcolonial experience, practice, and legacy of once colonized regions. Now, the origin. It originated as a direct response to European colonization and its after effects. Postcolonial literature began gaining momentum in mid-20th century after World War II ended and after Africa, Caribbean, and Asia gained independence. The major themes. Post-colonial text shows how colonized nations were once controlled, exploited, and the changes introduced by colonial power. The characters of post-colonial literature often struggle between their native culture, beliefs, and colonial rule. The common elements, such as loss of tradition and cultural displacement, are in focus. In such piece of literature, fight against oppression, colonial powers, and injustice is stressed upon. The characters fight for their independence and freedom of the native land. The writers of postcolonial literature may mix the native dialect with English. It showcases cultural hybridity and foregrounds cultural identity. It spotlights the voices of marginalized people such as backward social classes, women, and indigenous groups as they were silenced and ignored when colonial power dominated. It criticizes Western ways of living and their beliefs and negates them as superior influence. It also criticizes the stereotypes created by the colonial powers. Now, some of the popular examples of postcolonial literature are Things Fall Apart. It was written by Chinua Achebe. The setting of the novel is Nigeria. It presents the impact of colonial rule over African society. It is counted as one of the main post-colonial novel. Themes of cultural conflict and elimination of native traditions are in focus. The next novel is Passage to India. The setting is India during British colonial rule. The novel was authored by E.M. Foster. Themes such as cultural conflict and power imbalance are in limelight. It examines racial tension and difference of opinions between Britishers and Indians. The third novel is Midnight's Children. It is written by Salman Rushdie. It explores cultural restrictions, social disparity, and colonial influence. Themes like hybridity, patriotism, and identity issues are showcased. The setting of the novel is India, and the last novel is White Sargasso Sea. It is written by Jean Rees. The setting of the novel is Caribbean. It is a story from a black woman's perspective. It showcases elements of racial identity, colonial exploitation, and gender suppression. So yes, here ends the video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.